Name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine and are enjoying your daily tasks. So good job all of you. So this is your math lesson and let's discuss about the date and day. So today the date is 7th April 2021 and the day is Wednesday and it's a sunny day outside. So let's move. Yeah, today I have brought a very interesting topic for you and the name of the topic is halves. The name of the topic is halves. Let's see about halves. Okay, yes, dividing or splitting a whole thing into two equal parts gives a half. Let me repeat. Dividing or splitting a whole thing into two equal parts gives a half. As you can see on your screens, a picture over here. One biscuit over here, one whole biscuit over here, and on the other side the two equal halves of that biscuit. So when we are going to divide or we are going to split one thing into two equal parts, it gives us a half, like you can see on your screens as well. It can be anything, it can be any fruit, it can be any toy, it can be any shape. When you are going to divide or you are going to split anything into two equal parts, that gives you a half. That you are watching here, two halves over of the biscuit. On one side the whole biscuit is here and on the other side there are two halves of the biscuit. So let's move. Yeah, so here are some shapes here on the screen and which of these shapes are split into halves. Like you know that dividing or splitting anything into two equal parts gives a half. So see, the first shape is here, a circle over here, and yes, this shape is divided into two equal parts. So this one is correct. Let's see the other one. Yeah, this one is also a circle over here. Very good. But this is not divided into two equal parts. So this is not giving us halves. Very good. Okay, let's see the third one. Yeah, this one is square, and yes, very good. This one is also not giving us halves because these are not equal parts. Yeah. Then move towards the fourth one. This one is square. Very good. And yes, this one is divided into two equal parts, the blue one and the white one. Then we'll move towards the triangle, and this triangle is divided into two equal parts. One part is green and the other one is white. And the last one, triangle, yes, very good. This one is not divided into two equal parts, so this is not giving us halves. So let's do some activity. Yes, so here I am having a very interesting activity with you people, that I am having some shapes over here. Okay, and what you have to do is that you have to make the halves of these shapes. Okay, as you know that dividing or splitting into two equal parts makes a half. Okay, now this one shape is a rectangle. Two long sides over here and two short sides. This one is rectangle. Now if I'll ask from you that divide this shape into two equal parts, what will you do? You will divide this shape into two equal parts. Like this one is one part and this one is the other part. Okay, look, these two parts are equal parts. When we'll do, this is a shape rectangle, and when we'll divide this shape into two equal parts, this is one half over here and this one is the other half over here. So these are the two parts over here, and when we join these two parts it makes a rectangle. Likewise, I am having the other shape over here. This one is, yes, this one is a square over here and four equal sides, a square with four equal sides. Now I want to divide this square into two equal parts. I'll divide this square and I got one this part and the other one is this. Yeah, this one is one half and this one is other half, and when we'll join these both halves, this makes a square. So these two parts are equal. Okay, I have divided these two parts equally. That makes a half. This one is a half. Likewise, this is a circle over here, round and round. If I want to divide this circle into two equal parts, the first part is this and the other one is this. Both parts are equal. I have divided this part equally You can see the first half over here like this. Yeah, and the other half is this. Very good. When you join them together, it makes a circle. So this is the one half, this is the other half, and these are the shapes with the halves over here. I hope you people enjoyed the activity. Okay, so here is the written task for you. You have to do page number 22 of SPMG6. Very easy, very simple. You just have to find the halves of the shape and you have to color as well. Okay, so this is the end of your lesson. I hope you people enjoyed with me. See you people tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.